Despite recent rainfall and the weakening influence of El Niño, many Jamaicans, particularly those in southern parishes, continue to grapple with oppressive heat. In Portland Cottage, Clarendon, residents say the scorching temperatures are taking a toll, forcing them to find creative ways to stay cool and carry on with daily life.
The showers may have passed, but the island is still feeling the burn. In Portland Cottage, Clarendon, it's not just the sun that's shining. Tempers and temperatures are both running high.
The heat is so terrible. Right now, so me pull the window, a 2 fan about me in my room. 2 fan me turn on, and I pull the window, I get some of the fresh one from outside. But the heat is terrible. Me go in the shower and turn up and make the pipe run for me. That's all I can do.
Some residents say staying cool has become a full-time job with no days off.
Up to my son come the other day and said to me, say, Mommy, more coming out, you manage it. And you ball so. But it's terrible. This is nature, you know? Yeah, nature. You can't stop nature.
Her coping strategy is to keep it chill, literally by staying out of the sun whenever possible. But not everyone has that luxury.
How you coping with it?
Majority of my time outside. Sitting under the tree there. We have a little AC inside. And we have fans inside. But you know, JPS. It's stressing, man. It's stressing. There's nothing else you can do.
For others, beating the heat is easier said than done, especially when the electricity bill threatens to bring its own kind of pressure. Experts say this is part of a warming trend that's turning up the thermostat across the Caribbean. Recent academic research shows that climate change is fueling more intense and frequent heat waves. Even with El Niño stepping back, rising sea temperatures are keeping the region in a heat hold. And with warmer nights offering little relief, many are finding there's simply no cool way out. Health officials are urging residents not to get burnt by the conditions, encouraging citizens to drink plenty of fluids, stay in the shade when possible, dress light, and keep a close eye on the most vulnerable. Back in Portland Cottage, residents are doing their best to weather the heat one cold shower at a time, as the heat isn't taking a break anytime soon.